So the sense of self, you can say, well, I identify with the body. Maybe somebody's a model doing the modeling, they identify with their body. I mean, we all identify with our body, but maybe they identify more with their body. Someone, they identify with their speech, their voice, that's the profession, that the whole livelihood, how people know them is their voice. Or somebody who, their mind, some scientist, genuine scientists, their creativity, what they're known for. So they can, clearly one can identify with body, speech, what we call your voice, or mind. Identify. But when we do that, specific issues also, the idea is that in your body even every blockages in your body, every pain in your body, every sickness in your body, it says it manifests from ignorance. But what does that mean? It manifests from the ignorance means, what is ignorance is self-grasping. Basically what it's saying, all the bad health is a result of grasping self in your body. All the psychological problems that we have is the result of grasping psychological state in your mind. Some ideas, some wound, something you hurt, not able to forgive, holding on something, or some losses. You lost something, then you cannot recover back yourself, and you basically lost something in your mind. Then the depression comes, or some anxiety comes. So what I'm saying here is, again, I'm trying to talk same thing about this notion of wisdom. Wisdom is free from that identity of self. Identity of self is so many areas in your body, speech, mind. In your body, like all the pain in the body, physical pain. We have done some research. The hundreds of people participated in. About simple outcome is 34% of physical emotional pains reduction, or simply approaching the right way toward that pain. As simple as that. 34%, it's a lot. And think about how much drugs, pain drugs people use. What kind of, how expensive they are and so on. But it's your relation to your body. And how we do that? How we do that, we teach people to recognize that first. That maybe, people do say, right, like saying isolation, loneliness, anger, like the risk factor of heart disease, for example. And of course, there are so many more findings about social interaction, social relationship being the medicine for health, longevity. Why? It's because, and from my point of view, from this tradition point of view, simply is the connection to the self right way. It's not about connection to somebody. It's connection to yourself. Somebody helps you to connect with yourself better. Or somebody hurts you to connect with yourself worse. It's not about social connection. It's really self-connection.